Hey guys, Zach here, and it's going to be a quick video on following your passion and why you need to follow your passion in your life. I want to tell you some truths right now. You have one life to live. Are you going to work for somebody else that you're not passionate about? Are you going to work for somebody else's dream and not build your own? Because I see so many people doing that. What is your mission that you want to leave on this planet Earth? What drives you? What is your passion? Because passion wakes you up in the morning. Passion gives you the lifeblood to stay in it when it gets tough, to stay in it when you want to quit, when you want to give up, but you follow through because you're passionate about it. And I got a couple of people messaging me out there saying, you know what, I'm in a job that I don't like. Well, change it. You've got to realize and first of all find out what you really want for your life. What do you really want? What would you wake up to and you're smiling, you're happy about? Find that and then work out a way to do that every single day and you will be successful. I can promise you that. I can promise you because I see so many people in this world doing things that they're not passionate about and you can feel it. You can look at them. You can look at them right in the eyes and they're like, yeah, I have to do this. There's no passion there. If you talk to me about my passion, I'm energized. It gives me energy. Even when I'm low energy, someone starts talking about my passion, I start talking like this. It's crazy. It's crazy because once you find your passion, everything will fall into place, my friend. Every single thing that you want will fall into place. This is what I teach people. I teach people how specifically to find their passion. Where do you want to be in 12 months' time? I find that as well. Once you get clear on that, everything else is easy. I can promise you that. Because when you want to quit, it's your passion. You're not going to quit on your passion. You will never, ever quit on your passion. Because you've got to look back. That's my life if I don't. That life of who I used to be is my lower self. I'm my higher self, and I know where I'm going, and I'm going to get what I want. Boom!